Alright, okay. So for the chapter humidification, from the group 3, I will be presenting the slide. So first of all, what is the humidity? So humidity is refers to the amount of the water that vapor present in the air. So what is the meaning of humidification? Humidification is the process of adding moisture to the air to increase its humidity levels. So right now, we're gonna look at the psychometric charts. So this is the psychometric charts that we use for the topic humidification. So the vertical line of the graph will representing the dry bulb line. The y-axis of graph is to be called as dry bulb temperature scales as unit C. So this is the vertical line, and this is the this line. So this outside curve of the graph is presenting the saturation line. The inside curve of the graph is presenting the as relative humidity line in percentage. So the wet bulb temperature is shown based on the inside of the curve, and the horizontal line to the curve is the dew point. The curve is the scale for the dew point line. So this is some of the example. So the dry bulb temperature is 20 and the specific humidity given is 10. So right now we're gonna look into the psychometric chart. So first of all, draw the line of the dry bulb and specific humidity intercept. So first of all, at the vertical line, draw the first line here, and then at the axis line, draw it until it meets, and we get the first point. And then draw a reference line, which is the line of the temperature that intercept with the curve of graph. Then draw a straight line to locate the maximum moisture. So the formula of the relative humidity is 10 over 14.8 times 100. So the answer is 68%. So when we get the humidity, we have to draw the curved line. So at this point, draw a curved line straight down. And then draw the point temperature draw line from the intercept of the given temperature and specific humidity. Oh, So after that, locate the wet bulb temperature. Draw a 45-degree line to intercept the wet bulb temperature of the adiabatic saturation, which is no heat involved. So at this line, this straight line, the 45-degree line that intercept wet bulb temperature. So to identify the specific volume at 20 degrees Celsius, draw a line crossing the intersection of given temperature and given the specific humidity. The line is parallel to the nearest specific volume line, which is to be the 84.2 meter square per kilogram. Then, to measure the enthalpy, use the wet bulb line and extend it to the scale of enthalpy. From the graph, the enthalpy is 45.5 kilojoule per gram. So we measure it right at the graph. So from the graph, dry bulb is 20 degrees Celsius and the specific humidity is 10 gram per kilogram. The wet bulb is 45 degrees Celsius and the specific volume is 84.2 meter square per kilogram and the enthalpy is 45.5 kilojoule per kilogram. Alright, so we jump into the first question. So the given dry bulb is 25 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 70%. So find specific volume, humidity ratio, dew point temperature, and specific enthalpy line. So first, to get the first line from the vertical line, the y-axis line. So the red line is the line from the vertical line and line from the axis line at the first point. So to get the saturation point, the red line where is the curve on is the saturation point. So the purple line gonna be the enthalpy. So to get the enthalpy is the enthalpy from the vertical point have to be aligned with each other to form the enthalpy line. So the enthalpy is gonna be 62. So after that, we have the specific volume. The specific volume also have to align with the specific volume, the 90 degree. So the specific volume in this graph is 36. So the relative humidity is 70. So the dew point gonna be in the middle of all the line intersects. So move to the next question. So the given dry bulb is 80 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 90%. So find the specific volume, humidity ratio. So same question as the same one. So basically all the what is same, and just the given information is different. So just do it the same as the same question. So you will get the enthalpy is 52, and you will get the saturation line is between the 90-degree saturation line, and the specific volume gonna be at 23. So next, so given dry bulb is 30 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 50 degrees Celsius. So same as the other question. So the enthalpy is gonna be at 63. The specific volume gonna be at 34, and the saturation point is at the 50 degree. That's all for the three question that gonna be explained about. So thank you.